people in Aceh, like you make categorization,
What the new generation
new
Generation.
uh,
for like children.
new generation. The people in Aceh, child
For young generation.
and young generation.
I think we must to develop them to have brave mentality.
Masya Allah.
Yeah, brave mentality. Like not shy in the public. He can promote something what he have. Like I can to speak. I can to read that and can I correct it. And there's like them. Oh yes, the good idea like that. So I and then what else? The never throw jangan pernah membuang throw out
Throw away.
never throw away
Throw away, right?
the trust from any people come for them. If the people give trust for them, yes, he they can they're able to what else something good pointless like that. Yeah, that's point from here. So for young generation, we must educate them
Something tea or
to
coffee.
be great man and never live lonely, never galau, never confused with what happened with me. Wait, you can enjoy your life and yes, you run enjoyly, not make your life so
Seriously.
Oh my God.
Very
Why-
seriously.
Yeah, well, serious. No, not seriously. Seriously is more important, I think. But why God give me like it? Oh, I cannot face into like this. Like this. Why I cannot control this my life? No, don't give up, because your life is because our life from God, but God maintain our life, sustain our life. Good mentality.